this we are going to create that one. So hi guys, this is Suryansh and welcome to the channel, and in this video we will be talking about how you can shoot a cinematic video. So basically you just need a smartphone and a lighting setup and something any object that and you just need a object or any setup that you are going to shoot a cinematic b-roll. Okay, so let's begin. So let's talk about objects that you are going that you will be needed for this shoot. Okay, so you just need a mobile phone or any, if you have a good camera, so you can use that camera also, you will get good results. So if you are shooting in your mobile phone, you just check that the maximum resolution you are going to so don't forget to enable the maximum resolution that your phone can shoot. Okay, so my phone can shoot only in 1080p 30 fps. So if your phone can shoot in 4K at 30 fps, so you can shoot in 4K 30 fps, but I prefer you to shoot in 1080p 60 fps if you will if you have that option. Okay, so let's begin. Okay, I know you are seeing the difference of quality because right now I am shooting with old camera, so sorry. So for this first shot I am revealing my setup from this wall. Okay, so let's take the shot. Now for the second shot, what I am going to do that I will be just revealing this PC setup, and I will take some close-ups of keyboard and mouse, then this, and after that we will think about the next shot. So let's begin. So I think we have to take this shot, and let's take this shot. Now I had taken a shot of this mouse, and now I am moving to this monitor, after that this clock, and the final shot will be I will take a sliding shot of from here to here, and I will show all the components that I use, and after that the cinematic shot will over, and yeah. Okay guys, now I am going to give you a tip that is known as stabilization. Guys, focus on stabilization because that is the thing which make your shot more professional. Okay, so let me tell you that how you can make your shot very stable. So you just keep your phone into this type of sleep, or if you don't have sleep, so as heavy you can make your phone, you have to make, and then find some good grip to your phone, like something like this, and how tight you can hold your phone, you can hold. Okay, after that if you have this type of sleep, keep this phone into this sleep and then slide this phone slowly. Okay, if you're shooting at 30 fps, so make sure you are sliding the phone very slowly, and if you are shooting in 60 fps, so I would suggest to slide this phone to normal speed. Okay, and if your phone's allowed to shoot in 120 fps, so definitely shoot in 120 fps. Okay, so and if you are holding this phone like this, okay, so make your phone heavier, and you cannot make a phone heavier, so do like you just hold this phone like very tight, and make grip something like this, and after that just slide your phone. You will definitely see the difference between that you are shooting like this and this. and when you shoot with this type of grip you will definitely see the difference. Okay, and if your phone's allowed to shoot in very stabilized shot, so you do not do to this type of things. Okay, so let's take the shot, and actually I haven't taken the shot, and let's move to the another shot. So yes guys, this shot was over, not short, the whole cinematic video was over, and now it's time to goodbye you. But before that, if you approach this channel today, and if you are seeing this video today, so just subscribe the channel and hit the like button and press the bell icon. And I'm planning about to capture the time lapse of sunrise, so that vlog will also come in future, so stay tuned and do subscribe to my channel. I hope you liked my content. I have told this several times, so goodbye.